Hi, welcome to my video. This week I am sharing my recipe in two parts, one video today and one video on Thursday. This is a sambar, which is a vegetable stew largely prepared in the southern region of India, even in Sri Lanka. Now, to make a good sambar, you need sambar powder. So that's what we're going to be sharing today. On Thursday, we're going to be showing you how to make the entire sambar from start to finish using the fresh sambar powder that we're sharing in today's video. We love South Indian food so much, but seeing as we're still in lockdown, we haven't been able to go out and enjoy it. So Pranav has been trying his hand at some basic South Indian recipes. Now, to make this sambar powder, you're going to need just a handful of things. If you have a reasonably well-stocked pantry, you might already have some of these ingredients on hand. And I want to let you know that all of the ingredients are in fact down in the description box for you. As per our understanding, sambar powder is the seasoning that goes into sambar. And this seasoning is made from beautifully dry roasted spices. So that's where we're going to get started. We're going to add everything except for the methi and cumin seeds to a pan over medium-high heat. You need to roast these ingredients until the spices are aromatic and until the dals have become golden in color. Sambar accompanies so many things. It goes with idli, dosa, vada, all of which we absolutely love, and those dishes were so accessible to us when we lived in Bangalore. If I wanted to eat South Indian food, all I had to do was cross the street. It was that easy. That means, unfortunately, that I never learned to make any of these dishes, so we're having to learn as we go now during the pandemic. Anyway, separate the spices that you roasted, put them aside, and we're going to keep going. In the same pan, add a little bit of oil and add the methi seeds. We're going to roast these and the cumin seeds in a bit of oil. It just helps to release their flavors, to have a bit of fat in there. And then once the methi seeds are roasted a little bit and they're golden brown, add the cumin seeds because they won't take as long. I want to say that if you are making sambar powder that you want to store and use over a longer period of time, just roast these alongside everything else and don't use the oil. But if you're gonna make the sambar powder and use all of it immediately, then you can do it the way that I'm doing it. Not I, that's Pranav, obviously. You can see those are not my hands. Then take all of the ingredients and add them to a spice grinder. A coffee grinder will also do the trick. That's actually what we have. It's a coffee grinder. And then grind these as finely as possible to make the powder. This sambar powder smells so beautiful. It has a very nutty, roasted aroma, and it's going to add so much depth of flavor and so much complexity to your sambar. Because we don't make this very often, we tend to make it fresh and use all of it immediately, but you should be able to store it for maybe 1 or 2 months in larger quantities. Now, Pranav has been very dedicated to learning some basic South Indian recipes like sambar, dosa, even the chutneys. So we're going to show you on Thursday how we make sambar from start to finish using this sambar powder. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you don't miss out on Thursday's video because this is what's coming. This is a beautiful, delicious pot of sambar simmering away, and we're going to show you how to make a decent sambar. I don't want to say that it's an expert level sambar, but for us, North Indians, NRIs, this is remarkably delicious. So definitely stay tuned for that. And hope you're doing well, hope you're staying safe, and we'll catch up with you on Thursday. Okay, come back right here to see that video. Okay, bye for now.